Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select apps over here and click on permission manager. Now select one of the features, for example location, and pick one of your apps, like Facebook. Then select one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Facebook gained access to my device location. But you can also just click on one of your apps, choose see all Facebook permissions over here, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!